The manufacturing side, you can see that computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, and computer aided product development. These are all some of the important things. Those will be indirectly, directly supporting the manufacturing activities. And almost all the machines and the workstations, those will be totally automated. Those will be totally automated, and they'll be using some of the programs. They will be using programs to run the systems without having any intervention of the man or labor. At the manufacturing side, we will be using the robots also. We are using the robots also to work or to help the system to automatically work. Okay, these are all some of the manufacturing side things. And along with this, we are going to use the programs, programmable, logical controllers. These are some programs. These programs will be totally eliminating the use of the manual effort. Everything will be totally automated, and with the zero effort of the labor, the whole production can be taken. And what the important thing we can find in the automation is that automating the production or manufacturing is that 0% rejection. And we are going to follow the global standards. We are going to follow the global standards. That means the inspection and quality control will be thoroughly taken place by the totally automatic devices, and the rejections will be very nil or zero or minimum. And all these production levels, the manufacturing will be taken place as per the global standards. Okay, so that whatever the products or manufacturing systems we are going to do, or machines we are going to develop, those can be even sent out of the country also, which will be increasing the economy of the country at the same time. This is what the manufacturing side, the mechanical engineering contribution. In the automotive side, we can see that lot of changes have been taken place. As I told you in the previous classes, if you go through the previous the olden the vehicles, very small or negligible other factors like electrical and electronic components were found. More than 95% were the mechanical components. Now today you can see that in all the automotive sectors, the mechatronic devices we can find. Very little components of mechanical, all those will be supported by the electronics and some other sensors and some other devices. So that it has become very advanced technology in the automotive sectors. In the automotive sectors, especially in painting and in assembly of the automobile system, the components, all those will be done by using the robot assembly systems. Especially the robot will be using for the welding, and robot will be used for the painting application, and robots will be using for the assembly application, so that the standards have been changed. In the aerospace industries, we can find composite materials. The composite materials are those will be light in weight. Weight will be very, very less, and they have equal mechanical properties as that of the metals. So these have been taken very good shape in the aerospace industries, because the weight will be reduced tremendously. The weight will be reduced, so that the efficiency of the engine will be increased. Along with that, you can see that some of the alloys which we are going to use in the aerospace sector and some of the sensory systems we are going to use in the aerospace sector, those have been taken a shape in the this one. And how the GDP of the country can be increased. GDP is what? Gross GDP. What is this GDP? Please tell me, anyone of you? Anyone of you can tell me what is GDP?
Gross domestic production.
Yeah, very good. Gross domestic production. So gross domestic production, how much you have developed and how much you have sold out, that will be based on the production level. Okay. So as compared to the previous, the history of the GDP, today the GDP of the country by the mechanical engineering equipments have been increased because we started developing a lot of machineries and mechanization, and automotive sectors have been taken a very good strength, and automation of the different levels of manufacturing. All these have been increased. The GDP of the Indian GDP have been increased. Okay, these are all the things.